How to use Pingo AI app. Open Pingo AI application. If you do not have this app, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Create the account for yourself. Answer few questions, select the Google account and your account will be easily created. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the option Start in order to start learning. In order to start learning, you'll have to pay for the subscription. Tap on the option Start My Free Week. Follow to the prompts in order to add the payment method. You'll get a week free. After that, the amount will be charged from your payment method and you can start learning. You can communicate with the Pingo AI. Like this, you can learn the languages. Tap on the language selected at top left corner of your screen. You can select various languages that you can learn over here. Tap on the language of your choice. Tap on the option Settings in order to access the settings. You can see the options like Account, Upgrade to Pro, Language, Preferences, etc. You can tap on these options in order to access these settings. Likewise, tap on the option My Plan in order to see your plan. You can see your plan over here. You can tap on the option Plan with Pingo in order to plan more things. Likewise, tap on the option My Progress in order to see your progress. You can also see the level and vocab over here. If you want to see your streak, tap on this icon that you can see on the screen. You can see your streak over here. If you daily use the Pingo AI, you'll be able to maintain the streak. You can see the milestones over here. Like this, you can use Pingo AI app. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.